Becoming global. Um, Hi, my name is Luis Antonio Arzochoa. I'm studying mechatronics engineer, and I will show you what is becoming global for me and what it means to the world and our generation and even the other generations. First of all, we of course have our benefits. The information is the first one and even the more obviously. As we all know, every country, and not even every country, every region, every town, every village and city have their own culture, their own language, their own information, books, movies, and music. So, the globalization, thanks for the internet, allow us to hear that sounds, to see that moments in the movies, to feel how somewhere in French could feel when he hears his favorite song. So even our songs are listening in other countries. So we are more of the world because we are more part of this new world. So as well, we have new products, we have better communication. Even a big enterprise could have better communication with his allies in other countries, and of course our new digital service like Netflix, for example. There's not a national service, but thanks of globalization we could have it. So this is more for new generations because ours it's not a full globalized world, but our little brothers or sons and our grandsons will have a really full globalization part. So this could mean even a disadvantage because if we are more part of the world, that means that the world becomes part of us. So a problem that we could have is the new words that we add. For example, in Spanish, we could have anglicisms like parqueando, and that's an English word that we conjugate as it could be a Spanish word. That could be a problem if we think that our culture is mimetizing another one, in this case the Americans, because if we compare both of the countries, the American one have more influence in the world, so that it's a problem for the other countries because they will lost part of their culture in pro of being a part of the world, and the new generations are uh, ally of this because they're using these words and they probably didn't know how that world begin, start, or even have been created. So something we could have in a pro of that idea is that the world becoming one, um, more beyond the language or beyond the economic part. As human beings, we could become one culture and one town. That's something great. And that's because not just new work strategies, as I say, that's because we have new political strategies. We could know how the other people feels and lives, so that means that we could understand and feel more than the other people. In the news, for example, we could see the other people's pain and the other people's events. So this is a great opportunity to becoming part of the human being, more of part of our nation, and I like that. I mean, it's a great opportunity to becoming more human.